biota. Merry Christmas. Fucking freaking queer.
Search and destroy.
Yo, you wanna rush A first? Alright. You grab bomb.
Freaking
Yeah,
lag.
just join
Clear the
game.
objectives.
Yo, but people keep asking me
Charges
if I have a
acquired.
girlfriend. It's hilarious.
Bomb carrier
Sweet
down.
Snapchat doesn't want to work either. Oh, it's
We got the bomb.
Where was he, yo?
We lost that round, but it's
I have
not
to
over yet.
poop.
Step
Oh
up.
no. Oh my god, I have to shit. Sorry, dude, I couldn't see him. My fault, yo.
Switching sides.
I really don't want to.
Search and destroy.
I got B.
Protect the objective.
Yo, I got a riot shield over here, B. He has flag jacket on. I don't know if it was that him.
Good job. Get ready for the next round.
A fucking riot shield. I was so confused. Got that shit gold though. And it looks dope.
Switching sides. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Baby and soba. Yes, sir.
Good job. Get ready for the next round.
What? Yeah. Dude, you don't even need laser sight,
Halftime.
yo.
Search and destroy.
What?
Defend the objective.
About that extended clip grip. I don't see why people don't use. I use grip on every gun just 'cause I want that extra help. Riot shield. Yeah. Just fucking with me. Oh, he's going back through mid. Bombs down, B.
Bomb online.
Oh,
We lost that round, but it's not over
yeah,
yet.
you can be
Get
going
ready
up
for
on the
next
boss.
one.
I almost gave it to him, look. Oh.
Switching operation ready
Let's
point.
rush B.
Search and destroy. Eliminate the objective. We got the bomb.
I've seen them both. Planning.
Charges set.
He's up front.
Good job. Get ready for the next round.
And I thought you were gonna shoot at him too, so like I just got outgunned, but I didn't, so
Switching operation ready point.
I hate being
Search and destroy.
so I freaking love Chief Keef. My nigga.
Protect the objective.
You ever listen to him? But I hate being soba or coming. Oh, he's in middle. Yo, kill that one. He's coming through middle.
Complete the
He's gonna come
mission.
through
You're
middle.
the only one left.
This nigga probably dipped. Well, left. He's probably not dipping because he's a pussy, but. Yo, get this, please. I'll be so happy. Yeah, I say you just stay here. Stay right there. There you go. No, he's not. Every time I've sat at A, they've planted at B. He has to plant B. But watch, now the time he said at B, he's gonna plant A. Just stay at B though. Stay at B. Bro.
Bomb is armed.
Who's that? He's fucking kidding me. Either the bomb's planted. It could be behind that cart or the desk. No, in A. Side. Oh my. What? No, I don't. I don't. I swear to God, I don't.
Bomb deactivated.
Let's fucking go. Dylan, I swear to God, I will videotape my whole house and send it to you. I love you, but seriously,